Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur background from your photo on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device. And once you open it up, you will be able to tap on the plus icon or the open button to open up and edit any image. After choosing the image that you would like to edit, you will now be able to choose from various different effects. Now, if you wish to blur your background, then just tap on the tools option and now you will find the lens blur button. Go ahead and tap on it and you can now change your blur strength and adjust it to your liking from the top slider. You can also increase and decrease the size of the safe zone, which is used to define the area of the object that you don't want to be blurred. After placing the object of interest within the area, you will notice that the rest of the object has blurred. You can swipe down or up to change into various different aspects in order to fine-tune your edit. And once you have set up your desired blur, you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner and now your background blur will be applied to your photo right away. You can now proceed with exporting this image onto your gallery, and there you have it. That is how easy it is to blur the background within any photo on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.